gonna do? Although the road is so rocky, the Lord will guide me through. Every day it's a new day. I'm on treading the road continually. It's a long, long journey, and I'm got to make a move. I'm treading on.
Oh, whoa, 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 boy. A strictly consciousness, Koolant brings. Hey, rat race. I'm a no hina no rat race. I know I can wait. Tell them we no hina no rat race. Yes, rat race. I'm a no hina them that thing they ain't. I know I have faith. Tell them we no hina no rat race. Bigging up all the people in Jamaica, St. Thomas, all around the world. You know, catch Koolant. You know what some of them a do? Some of them a bow down for money, bow down for car, rat race for house and land. True, them have no faith, that's why they can't wait till the Father bless them man. Them up on the wrong boat, and now it overturned. Me tell you now, long time I want them. They never want to learn, they never want to learn. Oh yeah, yes. Well, the name Koolant was given to me by my older brother, you know. It's called Boom Decker, you know. Koolant is a stimulant for the earth condition. Koolant come to erase all the madness and violence that surround our land through music, you know. I was born and raised in the cool hills of Bath, down in Jamaica, you know, out of one place called St. Thomas. That's where I come from. I originated, you know. In my community as a child coming up, you know, people always say, why don't you take that talent and make it in a successful career? And I listened to the people of the community and I started going in the studios, you know. After I see that people all over the world have been suffering and people need music to soothe their soul, you know. So I just take it and further it. Some of the people that inspired me in the music business is man like Bushman, you know, Barrington Levy, Anthony B, you know, Jacob Miller, Bob Marley, Michael Jackson, you know, Peter Tosh, you know, they play a big role in my life, you know, coming up as a musician, you know. They did good songs. Currently I'm in the studios working on some new projects, you know, looking forward to put out a new album, you know, so my people of this world can hear the message of Koolant. And I'm looking forward to bring some of my roots in it back home, you know. The roots is important, you know, Jamaica land we love. You know, can't wait for that. Look out.
Lord, 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 hey, yes, oh, yes, hey, I'm gonna be iron, like a lion, in a Zion. The girls, them love the good lover, Rasta give them. Them say the bingy man a real thing. Them love the good lover, Rasta give them. Them say the bubble man know the thing. Them love the good lover, Rasta give them. Them say the bingy man a real thing. Them love the good lover, Rasta give them. Them say Koolant go and do the thing. So me keep up with 1, 2, Koolant passing through. All night long, say she want me to. I'ma give her big full bore. Say she want more. She love the punch and with the pop man throw. We love the daughters in the right way. And we no in a no lay. Me tell you say, every night when we are go to we bed, we have to give thanks to Jah. I say, the girls them love the good lover Rasta give them. Them say the bingy man a real thing. Them love the good lover Rasta give them. Them say the papa man know the thing. Them love the good lover Rasta give them. Them say the bingy man a real thing. Them love the good lover Rasta give them. Them say Koolant Brown do the thing. Hey. So me say coke, me nah go try that. Weed me bun, me nah deny that. Them say it a go mad me, but me know say that I like that. Coke it taste me fry that. Is a date for me, is a spy that. Give me the high grade Alaska, make me buy that. Why not? Coke me nah go try that. Weed me bun, me nah deny that. Them say it a go kill me, but me know say that I like that. Coke it taste me fry that. Is a date for me, is a spy that. Give me the high grade Alaska, make me buy that. Why not? If you can't finish me, I tell you no begin it. This is the real high grade, gonna make you hungry every minute. See my eyes, them out for lockdown is a high grade limit. Now go follow them one coke it on no in a mimic. She said Rasta boy, me hold that and trim it. We tune me sing it, me I think about we film it. As some fat ganja girl I wind up in it, so me sing it, yeah. Mama, my sweet, sweet mama. Oh yeah. You taught me everything and anything you give to me. I always keep it inside. You are the driving force in my life. There isn't anything or anyone that I can be, and it just shouldn't feel right. I need a little of you by my side.
Baby, really got to let you know. Yes, I am a lover, I'm no undercover girl. Yes, I want you to be closer. I want to hold you real tight, squeeze you real right, and I cherish you like treasure. A long time me there and me I watch you from a distance, and I want you to come over.